Hey guys. Today I will be doing 20 tier 5 chests. If you enjoy the content, make sure to subscribe and like the video if you want me to do 40 chests. Now let's get to the video. Just a potion. Another potion. Another potion. Finally, something other than a potion. Pretty mid loot. Scythe and or pretty decent. Just a potion. Nothing sadly. Two daily spins, not too bad. Two ores and masks. Two daily spins again. Just a pretty mid mask. Daily spins, not too bad. Just a potion. Another potion. Mask. Beast Katana's W. Mask and or W. Hori. Just going to be doing some extras from now on. Or W. Just a mask. That's the end. If you enjoyed the video, please leave and like and subscribe. That's it for today's video. I should post 25 chess video tomorrow. Till next time.